Who has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Viksit Bharat Buildathon initiative launched by the Government of India? A. Ratan Tata. B. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. C. Rajnath Singh. D. PV Sindhu. Answer. B. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla. Explanation. Group Captain Shubhanshu Shukla, a distinguished officer from the Indian Air Force, has been appointed as the brand ambassador of the Viksit Bharat Buildathon. This initiative aims to engage youth, innovators, and educational institutions in creating digital and technological solutions to support the Viksit Bharat 2047 vision, a roadmap to make India a developed nation by 2047. His appointment reflects the government's emphasis on leadership, discipline, and innovation inspired by the armed forces. Who won the 2025 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine? A. Catalin Kariko and Drew Weissman. B. Mary E. Brunkau, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi. C. Svante Pääbo. Emmanuel Charpentier and Jennifer Doudna. Answer. B. Mary E. Brunkau, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi. Explanation. The 2025 Nobel Prize in Physiology or Medicine was awarded to Mary E. Brunkau, Fred Ramsdell, and Shimon Sakaguchi for their groundbreaking research on peripheral immune tolerance, which has deepened understanding of how the body prevents immune attacks on its own tissues, a key mechanism related to autoimmune diseases. Which village has been declared as India's first fully solar-powered village? A. Modhera, Gujarat. B. Punsari, Gujarat. C. Dharnai, Bihar. D. Diu, Daman or Diu. Answer. A. Modhera, Gujarat. The first solar village has been identified in Modhera village in Gujarat's Mehsana district. The first solar village in South India, Telangana, is recognized in the Thondapalli village, Nagakarnool district. PM Suryaghar, Muft Bijli Yojana launch. He PM launch Suryaghar. Muft Bijli Yojana was launched nationwide on February 15, 2024. Benefit. Under the scheme, eligible households will receive up to 300 units of free electricity. Implementing agency details. Solar Energy Corporation SECI of India Limited was established in 2011. Headquarters, New Delhi. Leadership mentioned, Santosh Kumar Sarangi, currently serving as Chairman, SECI, and Secretary, Ministry of New or Renewable Energy, as an additional charge, and the Ministry of Renewable Energy are mentioned in connection with the scheme's implementation. Which Indian naval ship, INS, participated in the Pacific Reach 2025 naval exercise held in Singapore? A. INS Khandri. B. INS Nista. C. INS Arihant. D. INS Sindhu Ghosh. Correct answer. B. INS Nista. Explanation. India participated in the Pacific Reach 2025 naval exercise held in Singapore through its submarine rescue vessel INS Nista. The exercise focuses on enhancing coordination and interoperability in submarine rescue operations among participating navies. It involved countries from the Indo-Pacific region and emphasized maritime safety, cooperation, and underwater rescue capabilities. Recently, which country joined NATO's Central Europe Pipeline System, CEPS, becoming part of the NATO fuel network? A. Hungary. B. Romania. C. Poland. D. Slovakia. Answer. C. Poland. Explanation. Poland has officially joined the NATO Central Europe Pipeline System, CEPS, also known as the NATO Fuel Network. This integration strengthens NATO's energy and defense logistics, allowing efficient fuel supply and transport among allied nations. The move enhances regional security and cooperation in Europe, especially amid ongoing geopolitical challenges.